Good morning! It's so windy today and it's cold. Winter is coming. Anyway, good morning and welcome back to a new video. I thought I'd take you guys along with me for a day in my life. We have a busy day with classes. It's now almost 9 a.m. and I have my first class at 9, and then we have other seminars and guest speakers throughout the day. And I thought it could be fun to take you guys along with me for that. So we're starting with globalization in crisis, and we're going to some climate conference. I slept perhaps 2.5 hours last night, so chances are I will have a hard time staying awake in today's class. Not because the classes aren't interesting, it's just when you're tired you just fall asleep. Anyway, let's go to class. Part 1 of today's class is done. Now I'm gonna walk over to the main campus and continue the class there at the conference. And I thought I'd call my mom on the way. Ja, det är det. Ja.
In Washington, the dog that doesn't bark is the sneaky one that'll come back and bite you.
Even in Sweden, how warm it has been and the effects it has. So for us, it's a growth out of that, and I think we are on a good path.
So tired, so I might take a nap when I get back home. I'm back in my uniform.
Oh hey, it's dinner time. I have some barley, I have some salad. Let's make dinner. Okay, shall we? I have some bell peppers, mango, avocado, celery, starting to get a bit, and some romaine, and a little piece of cucumber, and in here we also have some hummus, the best one. It is so good.
It's been a few days since we last spoke. I decided to bring you guys for a second day over here because I didn't really film that much on Thursday. So you guys are coming along for today as well. I'm now just gonna go for a quick morning walk and then I will start my internship for the day. Then I have an online class and then I'm gonna have to start packing for New York because I am leaving tomorrow morning and then I'll be in New York for Thanksgiving and I'm so excited. You guys are of course coming along.
I know you've been hurt, I know that you're trying, the bus is complaining, your phone's always ringing, outside there's the cold wind, inside the monotony. Baby, we need an exit from this, honey, we need that sweet release. I know it will feel in the electric feelings, you and me all night, yeah, be alright. If you close your eyes, feel the sunlight, baby, we'll fly to Madrid. Wanna get away one night or two. Madrid, go outside, forget me and you. Fall in love one time, 2 times, 300 times. Wanna get far away, boy, I'm tired of the rainy days.
I just came in for a quick walk outside in the dark. You can't even see outside. I just had to clear my head after 6 hours of internship. Now I have an online class.
I got you warmed up, tell me you see it, Andalusian dancing, Spanish living, so we're believing, absorbed by the feeling. Baby, we need an exit from this, honey, we need that sweet release. Baby, we need an exit from this, honey, we need that sweet release. To Madrid, wanna get away.
I'm trying to regain my strength with some dates, chocolate, and then go packing and perhaps go for a run.
300 times. Wanna get far away, boy, I'm tired of the rainy days. To Madrid, wanna get away one night or two. Madrid, go outside, forget me and you. Fall in love one time, 2 times, 300 times. Wanna get far away, boy, I'm tired of the rainy days.
I'm almost done packing. I just need to clean up my desk and actually pack my computer and stuff. But I'm gonna go for a run and then just deal with this when I come back. I'll probably sleep on the couch tonight just so that I don't disturb my roommates because I need to get up really early. And yeah, I think I'll just end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I really appreciate your support and yeah, I'm just happy you're here. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video and next time I'll see you, I'll be in New York.
To Madrid, wanna get away one night or two.
I thought I'd take you guys along for a day in my life. Day in my life. By the way, chances are that I'm already back home when you see this. I might have saved this footage for January.